Hi then guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a little test on a vehicle 2012 Toyota Corolla. It just got here this morning. Customer complains about losing power, and he told me that he lose power soon as he put gas. Could be gas with water, or it could be just if he lose power, probably it's just gonna be like a coil, a spark plugs. So let's see what we can find out. I believe this is a 2012 Corolla. I haven't checked it yet. I'm gonna put the scanner into it and let's see what's going on. I just removed the cover to see if the coils are unplugged or the plugs are damaged. Everything looks fine in there, but for what he told me, I believe it's gonna be one of the coils. Let's see. For this episode, I'm gonna use this scanner from the company BossComm. This is the IF745. And what we're doing for this episode is just checking for codes. Let's see what's wrong with it. First thing that you gotta do, always connect your scanner and then turn the key on the on position. Key on the on position. Let's see what we can find. On the first page, it's gonna have diagnose, special function, OBD2, settings, update, and about. Let's go to diagnose. We press OK. American, yes. American, European, Chinese, Asian. Let's go there. And let's look for Toyota. Okay. Automatic selection, yes. So Corolla, I believe it's 2012. With smart key, no, without smart key. Quick test. Let's our systems, yes. Let's check for code. Right now it's at 80%, and engine and ECT. I think it already found 5 codes. Cruise control. On the next screen, you want the system. Okay. Misfire, yep. Engine and ECT, you have P0304, 304, 304, yeah, P0420. He needs a new catalytic converter. I knew that for a long time. Go down. Misfire on cylinder 4, P0400. Low and high power supply voltage. Transmission 81. This car has a lot of issues. I think it has a lot of miles. Yep, 255,000 miles. Tire pressure, yeah. Transmission ID4 not receiving history. Well, misfire, I knew, cylinder 4. So what we can do on this case, we can change the coils 1 and 4. I believe that's 1 and 4. I can flip those 2 coils, and if the problem follows cylinder 1, that might be the issue, just the coils. But I'm probably gonna tell the customer to replace all 4 coils and the spark plugs. In the special functions, you can check the O2 sensor operation or readiness, check mode, the evap system, the learning value reset, which is important, reset memory. Let's do a quick change on the coils on cylinder 1 and 4. Okay guys, the car is running and the code now is on cylinder 1. Cylinder 4 as well. Cylinder 1 misfire, cylinder 4. That means when I swap the coil, it shows that. So coil, but I'm gonna tell the customer because it has cylinder 4 and 1 coils and spark plugs, should be good to go. Pretty easy. When you have this type of misfire, this type of problems, just swap your coils and Maybe like that you're gonna find the problem. Car is running fine now. This is the next day. New coils, new spark plugs. And if you look at these spark plugs, look at that, no tip. 255,000 miles on these original spark plugs. I believe they never changed them before. They're out, they're gone. I cleared the coat, no more check engine light, and it looks good now. We still have some engine problems and coat because catalytic converter needs to be replaced.